guys, it's Caroline and welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup tutorial is kind of more natural with a bronzy and sparkly sort of finish to it on the eyes. This look is perfect for if you're going somewhere and you don't want to wear a lot of makeup on your face because it does not use that many products at all. This is probably the least amount of products I've used in my most recent tutorials, but it still allows you to look nice and put together. But before we get into the tutorial, make sure to take a moment and like this video, turn on your post notifications, comment, and subscribe. I don't think I already said that. I could have said that. I have no idea anymore. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As usual, I'm going to start off by moisturizing the Yes to Carrots Daily Moisturizer into my skin. Next, I will be using the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I will be taking this dark brown shimmery color and applying it all over my lid, and I'm going to drag it down to my lower lash line. Now take a sparkly highlight color and apply it to your brow bone. By the way, sorry that this clip is filmed so far away. The main camera that I use stopped filming on me, so this is what we get. Again, I apologize. Next, take a black eyeliner. This is sort of like a liquid liner, and apply it to your upper lash line in a thick layer. I am now using the Butter London Double Decker Mascara and applying it to my upper and lower lashes. Now take a bronzer and apply it to the hollows of your cheeks and down under your chin. Finally, take a pinky nude lip liner and apply it evenly all over your lips. So that completes this makeup look. I hope that you all enjoyed it. I hope that you all found it as easy as I did when I did it. I really, really like it. I've actually worn it a lot over last year. I just wanted to now share it with all you guys. So I guess that is about it. I have nothing more to say, and I will see you all next week. Bye!